Hello, how you doing today? Great to have you here. So today is day one of Ryhs. His one-day class, and we're gonna make a hooker hardy and then a hammer. It's gonna be great.
Let's do it.
Take your time, slow down, relax a little bit. Don't worry about hitting at a faster pace.
Yep.
Worry about hitting with a harder force
Good, yeah.
with each blow. So ready, wrap it up. Harder, harder. There we go. So we've now had lunch, which was great. We went to Greg's, which is just around the corner. It's a bakery. That's all right. I had a steak and cheese baguette, or what have you. And now, he wanted to make a horseshoe, and I told him I'm not a farrier. But, though I'm not a farrier, I said that we can make a horseshoe heart. I haven't made one in ages. Ryan Brazil horseshoe heart. You should check out his YouTube video on it. I haven't made one in ages, but that's what we're going to do. So it's going to be great. Let's do it.
Look at all the really fun tools we made today. 2.5 pound rounding hammer, hot cut hardy, and 2 hearts, and on which is a special message for his mother. Dude, it was awesome fun having you here,
Thanks,
man.
Absolute
really
pleasure.
enjoyed it.
Thank you very much.
Great.
I had a great time.
That's awesome. That's awesome.
Awesome!
Great. Well, I will see you. Hang on. One more thing. So you might be wondering why it is that I'm underneath my truck. I don't usually get underneath my truck. The reason is like I'm bad with vehicle maintenance. It's not really my thing. I kind of get in the thing and drive to where I need to go, and that's about it. So about a month ago, I remember looking from the side of my truck and seeing something hanging down, and only like yesterday did I actually get underneath it and remember to see what it was. It's like a hanger that holds the exhaust,
and it's broken. So I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna like pull it off and rivet it back together. So much rust. Come on! Success! Okay, so I've got the thing riveted back together, like 12 rivets later. And I've got to put it back up. Remind me to thank my lucky stars for choosing to be a blacksmith and not a mechanic. Woohoo! I did it! I fixed something! Yes! Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. By the way, I'll see you tomorrow and subscribe and stuff. Yeah. Right. Bye! Bye!